In a small kingdom, there was a king and a minister. Usually, ministers are older, wiser, and more experienced than kings. This minister was also a man of wisdom. He always believed that everything happens for our own welfare. This is the background of the story, and now suddenly some other king invaded the country. There was a fierce battle. The king lost his little finger during the battle, but somehow managed to win the battle and retain his kingdom. Everyone is happy celebrating the victory, but the king was very sad. The old minister went to the king to condole him. He said to the king,
Everything happens for our own welfare.
When he said this, the king felt that he was making fun of him. He got very angry and ordered his soldiers to put the minister into the prison. In the prison, they tortured him and punished him daily. But he always believed that everything happens for his own welfare. This was happening, and one day the king went for hunting in a forest. He was very fast, and his soldiers were unable to catch up with him, and he got lost. Suddenly, a man-eating tribe attacked the king, captured him, and tied him up. That night, they wanted to sacrifice him in front of their beloved deity. When it was dark, they made him kneel down. When the tribal chief was about to cut off his head, he noticed the missing finger. The tribe had a tradition that they should sacrifice only a complete human being with no bodily defects. So they released him and let him go. The king felt very happy. Then he remembered what his minister said to him. Everything happens for our own welfare. Now he understood the true meaning of his minister's words. He went straight to the prison, apologized to the minister, told him the whole story, and requested him to be his minister again. Everything was going fine, and one day the king asked his minister,
You always say that everything happens for our welfare. But why you had to live in the prison for 3 months for no reason?
For this, the wise minister smiled and said,
If I was not in the prison, I would have come hunting with you. The tribe would have captured both of us. And as I have no bodily defects, they would have killed me.
This is the story. What appears as an ill fate is most of the times a blessing in disguise. If you look back into your life, you will surely find many examples for this. This story reminds us that God has a plan. Everything happens for a reason, and everything happens for our own welfare. We should have this belief, and this true belief gives us the power to traverse the difficult times in life and gives us the ability to smile even during the toughest ordeals. I wish a beautiful smile always be on your face.